Welcome back to CarScope, the channel where we explore the smartest, safest, and most exciting vehicles shaping the future of driving. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most respected luxury SUVs on the market, a model known for its safety, elegance, and Scandinavian design. This is the all-new 2026 Volvo XC90, a flagship SUV that pushes the boundaries of modern engineering, while staying true to Volvo's core philosophy of innovation with purpose. The 2026 XC90 embraces a refined and minimalist design language. At the front, Volvo introduces slimmer LED headlights with an updated interpretation of the iconic Thor's Hammer daytime running lights. The grille is more aerodynamic and features a sleek, clean pattern that aligns with the brand's electric-first future. The body has smoother curves and a more sculpted profile, giving the SUV a grounded yet premium presence on the road. The roofline flows elegantly toward the rear, where new digital LED taillights create a striking visual signature. The 2026 XC90 looks modern, luxurious, and unmistakably Volvo from every angle, powering this new generation. Volvo continues its journey toward full electrification. The 2026 XC90 is expected to offer both advanced hybrid and fully electric versions. The electric variant aims to deliver impressive range, quick acceleration thanks to dual motors, and a quiet, seamless driving experience. Meanwhile, the hybrid models benefit from improved battery efficiency, smoother transitions between electric and engine power, and enhanced performance for daily commuting or long-distance travel. Volvo has engineered the powertrains to provide confidence, refinement, and sustainability without sacrificing capability. Inside the cabin, the XC90 offers a sanctuary-like interior that embodies true Scandinavian luxury. The moment you step inside, you notice the calm, uncluttered layout, highlighted by premium natural materials such as responsibly sourced wood, wool blends, and soft leather alternatives. The centerpiece of the cabin is the vertical high-definition touchscreen powered by Volvo's latest Google-based interface, offering intuitive controls, smart navigation, seamless voice commands, and real-time connectivity. Comfort is a priority in the 2026 XC90. The seats are ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue on long journeys. And with 3 rows of seating, families will appreciate the generous space and thoughtful storage solutions. Volvo has improved sound insulation, making the cabin incredibly quiet even at highway speeds. At night, soft ambient lighting enhances the cozy and luxurious atmosphere, turning every drive into a relaxing experience. Of course, no Volvo is complete without cutting-edge safety features. The 2026 XC90 comes equipped with the brand's newest suite of driver assistance technologies. This includes highly advanced collision avoidance systems, smarter lane keeping, improved adaptive cruise control, and next-generation sensors capable of predicting hazardous situations before they occur. Volvo aims to push toward accident-free mobility, and the new XC90 stands as one of the safest SUVs ever built on the road. The new XC90 delivers a confident and composed ride. The suspension has been fine-tuned for both comfort and stability, allowing the SUV to glide smoothly over uneven roads while maintaining a firm, controlled feel through corners. The electric version offers instant torque and whisper-quiet operation, while the hybrid provides strong, predictable power with impressive efficiency. The 2026 Volvo XC90 represents the future of luxury. SUV is elegant, intelligent, environmentally conscious, and incredibly safe. It combines Volvo's heritage with modern innovation to create a vehicle that feels purposeful and forward-thinking. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the upcoming XC90 and want to explore more next-generation vehicles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to CarScope, your home for intelligent automotive insights.